Sitaram, Ramayanam via paintings, beginning of Aranyakandam. Painting 80, Killing of Virada. On entering the Dandaka forest, Rama saw a group of ashrams. The air was filled with the solemn music of the Vedas. A spiritual glow was pervading the entire atmosphere. Quietly unstringing their bows, Rama and Lakshmana walked towards the ashrams. The rishis residing there welcomed them. Spending the night there, they proceeded on their journey. Then the entire atmosphere changed and they were scared. Suddenly, a terrible Rakshasa, like a mountain, appeared before them. They were taken aback. He snatched Sita and held her to him. He told them that he was Virada and inquired about them. Sita was trembling. Rama was worried and told Lakshmana that there is no hope of rescuing Sita. But Lakshmana accosted Virada and questioned him further. Virada replied that he had a boon from Brahma that he could not be killed by any weapons. Rama pierced his chest with 7 arrows, and Virada dropped Sita and lifted both Rama and Lakshmana and started running into the forest. Rama told Lakshmana to let Virada carry them, as that was the way they had to proceed in the forest. Sita pleaded with the demon, but he did not pay heed to her words. The brothers decided to kill the demon. So Lakshmana cut off his left arm and Rama his right arm. As he could not be killed by weapons, Rama told Lakshmana to dig a pit and they decided to bury him. Virada, on hearing Rama addressing his brother as Lakshmana, realized who they were. Then he told them that he was a Gandharva by name Tumburu, cursed by Kubera to become a demon, and he would be relieved of his curse by Rama, and then he would return to heavens. He then directed them to go to the ashram of Sharabhanga Rishi. As per his request, they buried him in a pit. He regained his form and went back